Okay, so it's about midnight and I spilled an energy drink on the keyboard of my computer. As you can see, it will not turn on. My boy Wesley Samples showed me this awesome trick, so be prepared to be amazed. Take the back cover off it. It's like about 10 screws. And go to the battery, to the tab about an inch over. There should be a little ribbon. Pull it out with a flathead. Behind it should be about 30 something teeth. From the left, attach a piece of metal from the 5th tooth to the 29th tooth. I'm going to use a staple. Touch it like that. 5th and 29th tooth. Bam. Computer's on.